Hey guys, so this is going to be my first of hopefully many more live unboxings. So I finally got my Zara orders. I forgot to get my phone so I could show you what the actual items were. So anyway, it took an awfully long time, and I'm sure, as most of you know, with the pandemic, everything's taking extremely long to come. So I placed these orders, I think maybe like 3 or 4 weeks ago. It was a long time ago, but and it was one order, but they shipped them as 2 separate orders. But they were it was only one order that I placed, and they were shipping from different locations. So I don't know if they're pulling inventory from the store and they're shipping it, because generally when you place a Zara order, where I place it, it comes as one order from one place. So yeah, so I was gonna do these live unboxings. So with the live unboxing, I'll just show you what I have, and if you have any questions about fit, about price, just send a message, and then I will do a try on and a styling on my YouTube channel, so you can pop over to my YouTube channel once the video is up to see how I've styled it. So let's see here. So the first item, I did post it already on Instagram. It was this dress. So I had my eye on this dress for a while. It was on sale. So originally it was $79.90, and it was on sale for $39.99. So that's a pretty great price. I'm sure once the sale hits, so sale generally hits end of May, beginning of June. So I'm hoping it will go further down. If I haven't worn it, I'll just buy it again and return it. So right now with I don't know if you guys have bought anything from Zara, but they're doing once the stores open, then there's an extra 30 days from when the store opens, so you can keep the item for a long time. Normally it's only a 30-day return policy. So yeah, I love this dress. I think it just looks really great. It's so me, because I love boho. I would say, so this one I ordered in a size small, so I would definitely say it runs big, because Zara fits super tiny. Well, it fits smaller than most other brands for me, so I stuck to a size small, and this one fit really well for me. So yeah, so it's really cute. It's boho, $39.99. So that was the first item that I purchased. And then, so the whole order came to like $177 with taxes and everything, so it was pretty good. So the other stuff that I ordered here, so everything's about like the big volume sleeves right now. So I kind of wanted to jump on that trend, and so I bought this top here. It's really cute. Eyelet, a little embroidery here. I think it'll look really nice with jeans. So this one, it was I want to say it was $25.99. Sorry, I should have had my order, but everything will be in the video. So if there's anything in here that you like, it'll be in my YouTube video, and I'll have the prices and everything, and I'll have the style numbers as well. So yeah, it's super cute. I ordered a size medium, so I will have to see how it fits. I think because it's got elastic waist, it should be pretty good. It's really cute. It's yeah, I think it'll be great for the summer. And it's got a little bit of eyelets on the bottom as well. So this is a medium, so it was $25.99. So I think that's a pretty great price. I think it was $50 regularly, like $49.90, and then it was 50% off of that. And then it's got elastic on the sleeves. So the other thing that I ordered was this dress here. Sucks that they take off the prices. And again, I ordered this one in a medium as well. I can put everything in my stories so you can see it. if there's anything that you like that you want to order as well, with the links as well. So it just kind of fits. It's voluminous and it's big. I think it'd be nice. Kind of similar to the dress, but I mean, sorry, the top, but in a dress. And then it's got buttons on the ends as well. I can't tell you what the fit's gonna be, but I think a medium. I think this, it runs pretty big. Let me see if there's lining underneath it. Yeah, so it does have a lining panel underneath it. So I think if you wanted to order this, just order it true to your size. It's not, I don't think you need to size up on this one. But yeah, super cute. And this one, I believe, I don't know. They weren't that expensive. I think it might have been $39.99. Sorry, I was meant to bring my iPad so I could see my order. And I can't see it because it's on my phone. But yeah, it's really cute. And this plays on again with the big sleeves. That's that. And then the other one that I ordered, which I got in a size small, is this really pretty dress. And it's got like it's got tie waist, so I think it'd be like, it looks really kind of like it would be a designer piece. It's got like voluminous sleeves, and it's got like the drawstring pull to it, and then it's got drawstring pull on the sides as well, so that it kind of, you can cinch it in here. It gives you an empire waist. And then yeah, and this one was $49, so I think it was $99.90 regularly, and it was on sale for $49. And this I ordered in a size small, so I think because it's so big and it's got the side ties, I think small it would be good for me. So I think this would be really good for the summertime. And it's kind of one of those comfortable dresses, but it gives a nice shape to your body. So I will put everything in my stories. I'll put everything in my stories so you can see which items I ordered and the prices and the links. I'm not sure what will be left at this point because everything here was on sale. And I find that the special price stuff kind of sells out really fast. And it's already been a couple of weeks since I ordered it, so I'm not sure what will be left. But if you are interested in anything, I will put the item in my stories with a link so you can click on it. So yeah, that was my first live unboxing. I don't know if that was a good one or not, but it was only, it's kind of hard because I can't try it on and show it to you guys because I'm unboxing it. So in my YouTube video, I'll style everything, and again, it'll just be a normal YouTube video, and you'll see how everything fits, and I should have that up soon. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed that.